guys, it's Tales here, and I found another shiny through the warp hole. So I found a shiny Sigilyph. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and catch this guy here, and we'll see how it goes. Ow. That hurt. Okay, I guess I'll use my Sarina to lower it down, I guess. So I'll drop kick it, see how much that does. Didn't do all that much, sweet. Alright. Sky attack. Okay, Sigilyph. Well, I'm lowering your attack. Okay. And I'm paralyzed. Alright, one more drop kick should do. Alright, that's about all I can do. Actually, I think I can do a low sweep. Yep, okay. Honestly, I don't even care if you take out my Sarina. Alright, now that it's low, I can throw an Ultra Ball. Come on, Sigilyph, get in the Ultra Ball. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Let's go. Got the shiny Sigilyph. Look at that boy. Yes, I will give him a nickname. You know, it's a girl. If it was a boy, I was gonna name it Aztec. I mean, I suppose I can. Or wait, I could name it Quetzalcoatl, because technically Quetzalcoatl is a... Is it a male, or is it... I don't know. You know what, I'm gonna name it Amazon. Because Aztec just sounds more masculine, and Amazon will be more feminine. And I want to see its summary. Special defense up, speed down. It's got air slash, psychic, cosmic power, and sky attack. And it has wonder skin. Makes status moves more likely to miss. Alright. Luckily I didn't miss my Thunder Wave though. And then there he is. That little guy right there. Alrighty. I'm gonna send them to a box. And, well, that's about it for today. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button down below and make sure to subscribe to me for more videos like this, because you guys always know it helps me out and motivates me to make more videos like this. And, as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!